The pumpkin, Cucurbita spp, is an iconic fruit that transcends culinary, agricultural, and cultural boundaries. Belonging to the Cucurbitaceae family, which also includes squashes, gourds, and melons, pumpkins are native to North and Central America, with archaeological evidence suggesting domestication over 7,500 years ago. Their adaptability, nutritional richness, and symbolic significance have cemented their place in human societies worldwide. Botanically, pumpkins are classified as fruits, specifically berries known as pepos, a specialized type of berry with a thick rind and fleshy interior. Several species contribute to the diversity of pumpkins, including Cucurbita pepo, Cucurbita maxima, and Cucurbita moschata. These species vary in size, shape, color, and growth habit. Leaves are large, lobed, and rough, while vines spread extensively, allowing sprawling growth. Flowers are bright yellow-orange, monoecious, and pollinated primarily by bees, which is essential for fruit set and yield. The pumpkin fruit itself varies widely, from small ornamental types to massive cultivars exceeding 100 kilograms. The rind can range from smooth to deeply ridged, with colors including orange, green, white, and even striped patterns. Internally, the flesh is firm, fibrous, and high in carotenoids, especially beta-carotene, which contributes to its vivid orange color and antioxidant properties. Seeds, commonly referred to as pepitas, are nutrient-dense, providing protein, healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and other micronutrients. Historically, pumpkins have played vital roles in indigenous cultures of the Americas. Native Americans utilized pumpkins for food, storage, and medicinal purposes, consuming the flesh, seeds, and flowers. The fruit was introduced to Europe in the 16th century via Spanish explorers, spreading rapidly due to its versatility and long shelf life. Today, pumpkins are embedded in cultural traditions such as Halloween in the United States, where carving jack-o'-lanterns symbolizes protection and celebration, and Thanksgiving, where pumpkin pie is a central dish. From a nutritional perspective, pumpkins are low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for healthy diets. The flesh is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants, and potassium. Beta-carotene, in particular, supports vision, immune function, and skin health. Seeds contain essential fatty acids, protein, and minerals, contributing to cardiovascular health, improved sleep due to tryptophan content, and overall nutrient density. Agriculturally, pumpkin cultivation requires full sunlight, well-drained soil, and consistent moisture. Vines can spread several meters, necessitating ample space or trellising for certain varieties. Fruit set is highly dependent on pollination, making pollinator health critical. Common pests include squash bugs, cucumber beetles, and vine borers, while diseases such as powdery mildew, downy mildew, and bacterial wilt present ongoing challenges. Crop rotation, integrated pest management, and resistant cultivars are widely employed to maintain healthy yields. Culinary applications are extensive. Pumpkin flesh is used in soups, stews, pies, breads, and roasted dishes. Seeds can be roasted, salted, or incorporated into baked goods and salads. Pumpkin flowers, particularly in Cucurbita pepo, are edible and utilized in stir-fries, tempura, or soups. In global cuisines, pumpkins serve as a versatile ingredient, adaptable to sweet or savory preparations. Processing for canned pumpkin puree, frozen slices, and pumpkin oils further extends its use and availability year-round. Culturally, pumpkins symbolize abundance, harvest, and festivity. In North America, autumnal festivals center around pumpkins, showcasing their aesthetic and culinary appeal. In Asia and Africa, pumpkins are integral to local diets and agricultural cycles, often used in soups, stews, and traditional recipes. Beyond nutrition and culture, pumpkins have contributed to agricultural research, particularly in breeding programs aimed at disease resistance, high yield, and large fruit size for contests and specialty markets. Modern agricultural research continues to expand pumpkin potential, with breeding programs producing hybrid cultivars that optimize fruit size, flavor, shelf life, and disease resistance. Organic and sustainable cultivation practices are increasingly important, balancing productivity with environmental responsibility. Additionally, pumpkin byproducts such as seed oil and pulp waste are being investigated for industrial applications, biofuels, and nutraceuticals. In summary, the pumpkin is a fruit of extraordinary versatility and significance. From ancient indigenous cultivation to modern global agricultural and culinary practices, it remains a symbol of abundance, health, and cultural heritage. Its nutrient-dense flesh, protein-rich seeds, and ornamental value make it a multifunctional fruit celebrated across continents. The pumpkin's enduring presence in diets, festivals, and agriculture reflects both its adaptability and humanity's enduring relationship with the natural world.